Assalamualaikum. Dear student, today we solve 8 class.math.summer pack.
Open page number 27. Then go to activity number 1 and solve a question number 3 on your summer pack.
Now go to page number 28 and solve activity number 2. After solving activity number 2, now solved the activity number 3. Open page number 30 and 31 and solve activity number 4. Now go to the page number 32 and solve the activity number 5. If you find any difficulty, please let me know in the comments section.